Welcome to Daily News Headlines. Headline number 1. Instacart IPO aims as high as $9.3 billion. Instacart is targeting a valuation of up to $9.3 billion in its initial public offering Monday in New York. The grocery delivery company, which kicks off its IPO roadshow this week, was valued as high as $39 billion during a 2021 funding round, as the pandemic boosted demand for contactless deliveries. But deliveries have since flattened, prompting Instacart to cut its internal valuation to as low as $10 billion. SoftBank's chipmaker arm is also preparing to go public this month and is seeking a valuation of up to $52 billion. Headline number 2. Google antitrust suit goes to trial. A landmark antitrust case against Google 3 years in the making is set to go to trial Tuesday, and the outcome could reshape the tech giant. The Justice Department's lawsuit is being described by experts as the biggest monopolization case in decades and accuses Google of abusing its online search dominance. Google claims it simply has the best product and has not acted anti-competitively. The outcome of the case will determine whether U.S. antitrust laws are sufficient for regulating modern tech giants, The Wall Street Journal writes, especially as artificial intelligence grows in importance. Google's relationship with friend and foe Apple will also be under scrutiny, according to Bloomberg. Headline number 3. Meta preps new AI system, WSJ. Meta is working on its most powerful AI system yet, one far more powerful than the Llama 2 system it released in July, and on par with OpenAI's GPT-4, anonymous sources tell The Wall Street Journal. Meta hopes to start training the system early next year, on its own infrastructure. CEO Mark Zuckerberg intends to make it open-sourced, which is cheaper and more adaptable but could open the company up to legal risks around copyright-protected information. Zuckerberg reportedly feels the company is slipping behind competitors after losing a number of key AI employees over the last year. The new system would be Meta's bid to catch up. Headline number 4. Smucker to buy Hostess for $5.6 billion. Jam and jelly giant J.M. Smucker announced Monday that it's agreed to buy Twinkie maker Hostess for about $5.6 billion. The two companies are expected to close the delicious deal by January, the end of Smucker's fiscal third quarter. Hostess stock has risen about 25% this year already, mainly on rumors of a sale, putting its current market value at about $3.73 billion. However, Hostess has projected a decline in volume this year. Demand has taken a hit since it raised prices more than 16% in 2022 to offset higher commodity costs. Headline number 5. The numbers to watch this week. Markets will turn to a key inflation report this week for clues on the pace of price growth and its impact on interest rates. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics releases the Consumer Price Index for August on Wednesday. The gauge is expected to show that overall prices rose at a slightly higher annual rate of 3.4% last month, compared with 3.2% in July, according to Forex.com. While that rate is less than half its peak last June of 9.1%, the Federal Reserve has recently reiterated its commitment to reaching a 2% target. Headline number 6. High hopes for new Musk, SBF Books. Book publishers are pinning their hopes on business titles by and about big names this fall. Walter Isaacson's biography, Elon Musk, is being released Tuesday, followed by Michael Lewis' take on FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried. 500,000 copies of Lewis, Going Infinite, The Rise and Fall of a New Tycoon, will hit stores October 3rd, making it publisher W.W. Norton & Co.'s biggest print run of the year. The much-anticipated releases could bolster print sales, which are down 4% industry-wide as of last month, according to Circana BookScan. Fact of the day. Nearly half of the people in the U.S. lack an emergency fund that could cover expenses for 3 months. Thanks for watching.